Also, this plan is something that you can sit in front of leadership and you are a rock star. Leadership wants to know that everything is handled. This was birthed out of frustration in 2017 when I was working with a team and everybody kept walking in at the time I was on site. Everybody kept walking in the office and, I saw this great thing. This is for Mackenzie Scott. So I live in Cleveland, Ohio. We should call LeBron James because he has a foundation. I'm like, yes, he raises money for education. He's not in the lane that we're in. You should do this. You know what? For that next event, we should have a cabaret. Swear to God, this happened. We should hire my friend who's a jazz artist, and okay, I got these daily. You know what? That's great. Maybe this will be one of the buckets for next year. So let me put this in a file and I'll use it. So what I just did was give a quality no, not a I don't like your idea. All right. So when you create this plan on page 13 and you're going through your monthly theme, your key campaign events, your content needs, and your AI tasks to associated with it so that they can see how you're using AI, this is the mic drop. That's all you have to say. Everybody, they're on the same page. If they want to pick apart the plan, that's fine. But once everything is signed off, you're free to execute the plan without a lot of input that is coming from a space, a place of well-intentioned tasks, but unfortunately don't align with the goal.